Broccoli, the crown jewel of cruciferous vegetables, offers an impressive array of health benefits that might surprise you. Nutrient-rich powerhouse, when you relish broccoli, you're not just enjoying a flavorful vegetable, you're indulging in a nutrient-rich feast. From vitamin-packed goodness to mineral treasures, your culinary creations are elevated to nourishing heights. Antioxidant symphony, each bite of broccoli isn't just a burst of flavor, it's a symphony of antioxidants. As you relish its crispness, you're treating your body to a medley of protective compounds that combat oxidative stress. Cancer-preventing culinary magic, broccoli on your plate isn't just a side dish, it's a potential ally in your health journey. With every forkful, you're potentially fortifying your body against cancer, thanks to compounds that may inhibit cancer cell growth. Heartfelt culinary masterpieces, the broccoli in your dishes isn't just a vegetable, it's a heart-loving masterpiece. As you savor its vibrant florets, you're embracing a culinary journey that supports your cardiovascular well-being. Digestive elegance, each bite of broccoli isn't just a taste sensation, it's a gesture of digestive support. As you relish its tender textures and delightful flavor, you're promoting a well-functioning gastrointestinal system. Immune-boosting gastronomy, the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that grace your dishes aren't just flavors, they're culinary fortresses of immunity. With every savory creation, you're empowering your immune system. Bone-building culinary bliss, broccoli on your plate isn't just a side, it's a nutritional architect of strong bones. With each delicious forkful, you're contributing to skeletal strength. Skin-enhancing delicacies, your culinary creations aren't just visually appealing, they're culinary treasures for radiant skin. The antioxidants in broccoli whisper of skin vitality as you savor its earthy essence. Detoxifying gastronomic elixir, each bite of broccoli isn't just a taste adventure, it's a potential detoxifying elixir. As you relish its lush green hue, you're supporting your body's natural cleansing processes. Weight-wise culinary adventures, broccoli isn't just a side, it's a culinary ally for weight management. Each forkful is a step toward feeling satiated, all while embracing a palette of flavors. Inflammation-taming delights, the broccoli that graces your plate isn't just an accompaniment, it's a potential soother of inflammation. With every flavorful bite, you're savoring potential comfort from within. Eye-catching culinary pleasures, your culinary creations aren't just nourishing, they're visual delights for eye health. The beta-carotene and lutein in broccoli tell a tale of vibrant vision. Brain-boosting gourmet experiences, broccoli-laden dishes on your table aren't just meals, they're potential brain food. As you indulge in its textures, you're nourishing your cognitive well-being. Hormone-harmonizing culinary feasts, your dishes aren't just culinary endeavors, they're potential allies for hormone balance. With each savory bite, you're potentially supporting your body's equilibrium. Diabetic-friendly flavor journeys, broccoli isn't just an ingredient, it's a flavorful pathway for diabetics. As you relish its taste, you're embracing a culinary adventure that aligns with blood sugar management. With each culinary masterpiece that embraces broccoli, you're not just cooking, you're curating wellness on a plate. The seamless blend of flavors and health benefits creates a symphony of taste and well-being that harmonizes with every bite. Get ready to elevate your cooking game with the magic of broccoli. Like, share, and subscribe. There are many more informative videos to come.